In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a worksheet in Canva. We'll go from searching for the right template, to customizing every detail, to exporting a crisp PDF you can print or share digitally. Start by opening Canva and typing worksheet into the search bar on the home page. This pulls up a large gallery of ready-made designs. You'll see options for different subjects, grades, and styles. Take a moment to scroll and preview thumbnails. If you use only free designs, look for templates without a pro label. When you find one that matches your activity and layout needs, whether that's a single page for quick practice or a multi-section worksheet, click it to open the editor. Now, let's customize the design so it fits your content. Click directly on any placeholder text to replace titles, instructions, and questions. Keep your directions clear and concise. And consider using short headings so students know exactly what to do. If your template includes multiple text styles, aim for consistency. Use the same font and size for similar items to keep the page readable. Next, open the Elements tab to add the building blocks of your activity. Search for shapes and lines to create answer boxes. Underlines for fill in the blank items or dotted outlines for cut and paste activities. Icons and simple clip art can add visual cues, but keep them minimal so they don't distract from the work. If you need more space, duplicate a section or add a new page while keeping the same visual style. Adjust the layout as you go. Select any object to resize, recolor, or move it. Align items so everything feels tidy and intentional. High contrast text and clean spacing will make your worksheet easier to read. If your questions run long, consider breaking them into shorter prompts or adding subtle dividers, so sections are easy to scan. For interactive elements, use lines and rectangles to mark where students should write. Make sure boxes are large enough for handwriting and leave generous margins so nothing gets cut off when printed. You can also add checkboxes for multiple choice or true/false items, and subtle dashed lines to guide cutting activities. When everything looks right, take a quick moment to proofread and check spacing from top to bottom. Then click Share. Choose Download and select PDF Print for the best quality. This gives you a sharp, ready-to-print file that also works well as a digital handout. Save it to your device, and you are done. Thanks for watching.